Hello everyone, the next topic is mail merge. Mail merge is used to create letters, mailing labels and envelopes which can be sent to many recipients. Means only once the message have to be written and then it can be merged with the addresses. There is no need to write every time. Take an example. For example, you want to invite your friends. So there is no need to type the invitation letter for everyone. Only once you have to write the letter and then it can be merged or combined with the addresses. Take another example. For example, in an office, a notice or a circular have to be issued for everyone. So in that way also, the notice, whatever the notice is there or whatever the circular is there is no need to type it for every individual one. The message can be written once and then it can be combined with the addresses. There are three main steps in the mail merge process, that is creating the main document, creating the data source, merging or attaching the two, that is the main document and the data source. Now I will explain you the steps that how you have to do this. Now first I am just creating a new document. After this, now you want to do it, then click at the mailings. After clicking on the mailings, then there is an option is start mail merge. There are two steps in it, then I will explain you both the ways. Now first click on it. Now it will show you some options over here. Option you can see. Now as you want to merge the letters, then click on the option letters. Now after this, now this screen, blank screen will appear. In this area you have to write down the message which you want to send to the different people. Here I am just pasting it directly. I have already a simple message is here. Now for example, we want to send this message to many people. After this, select recipients. Now if you have already have entered the addresses, then you have to select the option use an existing list, and if you want to write you want to create a new list, then you have to select the option type a new list. As you will do it, then new address list dialog box will display on the screen. There are many options over here, like many fields name, as you can see it. Then we don't need all these field names because of then, therefore you have to click on the customize columns button. As you click on this customize column button, then customize address list dialog box will appear. Now from here, the field which you don't want, you have to delete those fields. Now for example, email address I don't want, so select it, click on the delete button. A confirmation dialog box will appear on the screen that you want to delete email address. Select the option yes, it will be deleted. So one by one you have to delete the fields which you don't want. Here I am deleting many fields because I just want to explain to you how we have to do this. Now for example, I don't want this title option also, then select and delete it. Then last name I am selecting, deleting. Company name I don't want, so delete it. And address line 2 also. So in this way you can delete the fields which you don't want. Now if you want to change the name of any field, now for example, here it is written first name. I don't want first name, I want only name field. So select it and click on the rename button. Then rename field dialog box will display on the screen. Then you can change the name and click on the OK button. Then the field name will change. In the same way, address line 1, I just want address option over here, not the address line 1. So make a change by using the option rename. So now we are having only three fields: name, address and city. After this, click on the OK button. As we click on the OK button, then new address list dialog box will appear and it will show you only the fields which you have taken. Other field will be removed. Now one by one you have to make the entries. I'm just taking some few examples over here. Okay, then come to the last. As you come to the last field, press the tab key. Then another record, the fields that another record will display, blank record will be displayed. Again you have to make the entries over here. I'm just writing like this. After this, So 3 names I have taken here. Address, I'm just writing XYZ, and again like that. Okay, after entering all the records, if you want 3 records, 5 records, 10 records, 10 records, 20 records, whatever, make the entries over here and click on the button OK. As you click on the OK button, then Save Address List dialog box will appear on the screen. By default, it will store in the Documents My Data Source folder. If you want to change the location, for example, I want to save it on the desktop, or in desktop in my folder, that is in my folder Zeba. So now here I have to give the name. So I'm just saving it by giving the name list. Type the name and click on the button Save. Now it is saved. After this, the next step we have to follow it now. After this, you have to bring this message down, because here we have to add the field names. Then click on the Insert Merge Field button. Then it will show you the fields which you have taken. One by one you have to select it. Press the Enter key to bring the cursor down, because when we write the address or name or something, then we display it on the separate lines. After getting all the fields, for example, you have taken many fields, but here you want only few fields, then accordingly you may take the field names. After this, preview result. Then just click on this button, it will show you the preview. Here you can see, as you click on it, then it's showing the first name, address and city. Here it is coming 1, means this is the first record, and the message is coming over here. Click on the next button, then it is coming for the second, and then click on the third. In this way it is showing us the preview. Click on this preview result, and again the names will be removed from there. The next step, and this is the last step, finish and merge. Click on this button. There is an option added individual document. It will display your dialog box. There are few options here. All means you want to merge all the records. Current means you want to merge only one record, that is a current record, which is selected at that time. From, for example, you are having many records, for example 50 records you are having, and you just want to merge from record number 1 to record number 10, so you have to give its number. Here I have selected the option all and click on the OK button. Once I click on the OK button, now it is merged. Now this is the first document. Now this is the second page coming for the second record, and then third record will display now. In this way we can do mail merge. Now I'm just closing this, and then I will explain you mail merge by using the next method. Here I'm not saving all these files, and then the mail merge I will explain you once again by using the second method, that is with the help of the wizard dialog box. So here I'm opening MS Word, document is open. Click on the mail merge option, then there is an option written start mail merge. Now at the last there is an option step by step mail merge wizard. Select this option. Once we select this option, at the right hand side mail merge task pane will display on the screen. The very first option is letter, means we want to create a letter, so you have to select the option letter. After selecting it, click on the start document. After this, start document means now which document you want to use. There are option use a current document, start from the template, start from the existing document. I want to use this document only, so this option I have to select use a current document. If you are already having any document where you have written the letter, then you have to select the option start from existing document, and then you have to open that file. Now again I have selected use a current document, means I want to use this document only. In this document I have to write the message which I want to send to different people. After this, select the recipients. Now there are different options over here. Use an existing list, select from the Outlook context, then type a new list. So if we type a new list, the same way create, and then we have to follow same steps, that whatever the field we want to take. Now after this, here use an existing list I am taking this time, because I have already created one list, so I want to use that list only. Click on the browse button. Now select the file. It is in my folder with the name list. Open. Now that list is displaying over here that these are the records. If I want to make any change over here, that it can be done. Click OK button. So this is the list which I wanted. After this, then the same process you have to use. That is, you have to bring this information down, and one by one you have to include the field names. That is field names, name, then address, and the third field is city. I have to bring it down by using the enter key. After this, write your letter. We have already done this. That letter is already written. More items can be selected from here also. Okay, there's an option. After this, it is a step 4, more, that is more items. The field name can be taken either from here or from here in any way. After this, preview record. Now as I click on the preview, now the preview of the records are coming. First record, then as I'm scrolling it down, that one by one it will be displayed over here. First recipient is this, then second, and third, then third. After this, the next step, that is complete the merge. Now this is the 6th step and the last step, edit individual letter. Click on this option, then again the same dialog box display on the screen, that either we want to merge all the records, we want to merge a particular one, or we want to merge from this record to that record. Click on the OK button, and then it is done. Now here I'm showing you the preview. This is the first record, and then this is the second record. Closing it from here, first record, then this is the second one, and then this is the third record. So in this way we can do the mail merge. Now assignment questions. Question number 1, what are the different methods of creating mail merge? Question number 2, how many steps are there in step by step mail merge wizard and what they are? Thank you.